Pangei Da Leiba Sainik School Imphal gi Yankai Humdoi Suba Rising Day gi Thouram ngasi MAKHAL-MAKHA KAYAGI Thouram SHING LOINANA PANGTHOKKRE Thouram ADUDA Sainik School Imphal gi HANNAGI staff AMADI MAHEIROI SHING LOINANA interaction program AMASU PANGTHOKKI Thouram ADUGA Mari Lainana Sainik School Imphal gi officiating principal Lieutenant Colonel Satish Kumar Singh na hai Sainik School Imphal na school asigi MAHEIROI Singh NDA yauna tongan ba competitive exam singda mai paktuna famnaiba mioi amamam oina bagi pandamda takpi tambi bagi thabak chatharaga lakli Manipur da haujek tangdu laita taba fibam lairabashu school lasina lokhat lakliba khongthang khudingmak mai paknaba hotnari haina mahakna makha takhi.
The aim of this racing day is to interact with these boys, and these old boys can interact with our cadets and they can inspire them. Most of them are officers in defense forces along with civil services, and there's one minister also, Sri Adesham, earlier minister, he was also our expert. So we are happy to inform you. Yeah, cadets, we have about 40 odd science school girl cadets. They are joined just 5 years back. Till now, till 9th we are having, and every year it is increasing. And they are shouldering along with other cadets. Every day they are doing all the activities, and we are preparing them also for NDA. So every year we induct approximately 10 odd candidates.